Say hello.
Hello.
Why have you got no clothes up around your neck? We're visiting Cornwall again.
I thought I'd do a little bit on the visitors book. So this is a very nice place, and I'm glad we've come here.
I think it's lovely here. I've got the balcony door open there, look. Come and have a look. It's really warm. You're enjoying it, you Fred? Liking it outside? Beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful. Before I say anything else, if you get any whooshing sounds in the video, unfortunately it's to do with the gimbal. I've tried to give you a bit of a gap between the camera and the gimbal to try and alleviate the noise a little bit. If there is any noise at all, I do apologise for it. It's still an issue I'm addressing at the moment. That's our lodge down the bottom. Well, we're not in a lodge actually, we're in a chalet thingy. That's the site, as you've seen already when we went into it. Sorry, got the mic on, it's a bit windy. A little park home in there, look. Hello mate, filming.
Yeah, filming. Doing a time lapse.
Oh, he's doing a time, what, walking? Oh, okay. Not out for traffic then. Yeah, it's very busy today. So we've decided to get out, and just up the road, it's what he said, there's a donkey sanctuary, so let's go and have a look. Got a lot of mud in there, haven't you, mate? Hey? Hello? You alright? Hello? You're friendly, aren't you? Hey? You friendly? Yeah. They're friendly, aren't they? Hey? Oh. You want me to say hello again? You want me to say hello again? Hey, I ain't got nothing to eat though. Nothing to eat. Oh. You want to speak to him, mate? Go say hello. He can't make. Oh, there he goes, look. Go on then, go say hello. Go on. Yeah, he's coming, look. He's coming. Coming to say hello. Go say hello to him. You like the attention, don't you? I got nothing to eat, mind. I got nothing to eat. Yeah.
Look at his feet, they're like literally buried.
It's a lovely place, isn't it? Look at it. There's a play area down there.
There's also a play area.
And there's a play area in there.
Hi, buddy.
And there's another more donkeys in there. It's a nice place. With lots of lovely donkeys. Bless them. Ooh. What, this is for here. I think they got pigs in here. Lovely daffodils, look. Oh, there's a trough there, look. What have we got down here then? I don't know what's in this bit. Hello. Fact about ducks. What's this say then? Muscovy ducks, these are. Muscovy ducks. Hello. Hello, Mr. Muscovy ducks. Hey. Hello. Who's that, Ellie? Hey. Nice, aren't they? Hello. They've got a nice little house, haven't they? What's down in here then? See what's in here. Oh, they've got little pigs, look. Some little piggies in there, look. Oh, bless them. It's got a bit muddy. Hello, mate. Hello. Hello. I haven't got any hands, otherwise I'd have come up and said hello to you. Oh, you've got a sharp tooth. Hello, mate. Alright. Another one over there. Hello. Hello. Alright. Who's that then? Hello. Mr. Piggy Alley. Piggy. Hello. Alright. Oh, bless you. I think they've got quite a big enclosure, haven't they? They've got a football there to play with as well, which is nice. The wire tape inside this fencing is electric. Oh, electric fence then. What's this then? Got another little house up there, look. Can you see the house there, look? Let's go and have a look and see what that is, shall we? What's this thing? Something to climb on. Pair of boots. There's a little house over there. See that over there, look. Quite good. What are they going here then? I don't know what's in here. There's a tube there for them to run through, whatever it is. So, I've no idea. Is there something in here? I can't see anything. Is there something? It's ferrets, guys. Ferrets, look. They got ferrets. It's ferrets in here. Well, it was. There's none in here. I don't think we've got any. No, there's none in here, look. But yeah, nice little place. This is your donkey sanctuary, and I think it's about £4 per person to get in. But it appears that it does go to a good cause to look after the animals and the donkeys. So give it a visit. Right, onward. Where are we going?
We're going to
Dartmoor. We're going to Dartmoor.
Pew Tor.
Pew Tor. So let's go. We're on Dartmoor. There's Tavistock down there, and we're going up Pew Tor, which is behind you. There's Sammy parked up there next to another good camper. It's very nice today. They did forecast some rain, but it's okay at the moment, and it's lovely blue sky, as you can see. So let's go and find Pew Tor. We've already found it. Show me where it is. Okay, so let's go and find it then. We found it. Okay, it's up here. So see you when we get there. Beautiful. That's drinking water. Wow, what a view. Beautiful. This is Pew Tor.